Hi people, welcome to my Facebook page. This is Sichamba Jacob. I guess you are doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. So now come with me, look at what we have here. We're trying to understand the difference between integration and derivative. So this is calculus, okay? So the most important thing that I must say is that these two are opposite of each other. Okay, integration and derivative are opposite of each other. So it's more like this. You are here, if this is integration, you integrate, you move forward, and then they say find the derivative, you go back to the same spot. This is how it is with these two. Okay. So when you've been told to integrate here, you of course get the letter that you are expecting, and this is x. You write x power 2. And then to the power there, you add a 1. You always add a 1 to the power. So now we divide. You see the new power that we have? We write it down here, like that. And then say plus. You check what we have next there. It's a 2. So now that you have a 2, what do we do to this 2? You just put in x. And why are we putting x? It's because it's a constant. There is no letter here. So whenever you have a number, be it 10, 1, 2, all what you need to know is that when you have a number that is a constant, without a letter, you just put it, the letter that you are expecting. In this case, it's x, so you shall have 2x. The next thing here will be to clean up our weight. We have x power 3 over a 3 plus 2x plus a c. That's all. So this c means a constant. This is a constant. So always when integrating, if you don't have the number here and here, you don't have the limits, remember to put in a c. Okay, so here I just said 2 plus 1, it's 3. And then there 2 plus 1 also, it's 3. Just like that. And this is your answer. Now if you're able to see nicely, what we have here looks like what we have here. Look at this, x power 3, x power 3, over 3, 3 there, plus 2x plus 2x. We don't have c here, and it's normal. So you can say what we have here is similar to what is here. So you see, we were integrating, and we found this answer. So now, we'll try to find the derivative, dy dx. And see if it will take us back to this. If it takes us back to this, then we'll say derivative and integration, these are opposite of each other. Okay, so here we shall say 3x power 3 minus 1 over 3 plus, I'll explain, 2x 1 minus 1 there. So you see what we have here. So what I did was with derivative, when finding the derivative or differentiating, when differentiating, you get the power that is there, 3 times the number that is in front here. What number do we have here? It's a 1. So it will be 3 times 1. It will give us a 3. Write the x there, and the power 3, write it there. Now to this power, subtract a 1. That's a rule. Here we are adding, but here we are subtracting. Subtracting a 1. The same, what power do we have here? It's a 1. So we say 1 times 2. It will give us a 2. 1 times 2, it's a 2. Write the letter there, and then this power 1, subtract a 1, just like that. Of which, when we clean up, this and this will cancel. We shall have x power 2 plus a 2. So, how has this come about? We know that 3 minus 1, it's a 2. So this is how this power has come about as a 2. And then here, x has disappeared because 1 minus 1, it's a 0. So it will be x power 0. And we know that anything to the power 0 is a 1. So it will be 1 times what? Times 2, or 2 times 1, which will just give us a 2. And this is our solution right here. So if you can see, the solution that we have here is the same as what is in the question here. So you see that they are opposite of each other, right? If you are integrating, you get the answer that needs to be differentiated to go back to this. When you find the dydx, it will give you what is here, and this is the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Facebook page, on my TikTok channel, and also we are offering online tuitions to people outside Ndola. If you know that you are not in Ndola, remember that we are here to help you with online tuitions, and online tuitions are working far much better. They are good, okay? We've been doing this for the past 4 years, if I'm not mistaken, for the past 4 years, okay? And to those who are in Ndola, physical tuitions are there for you. We are here for you. We have a class at Provident House, opposite Compensation House, or should I say near Zanaco West branch. It's there. Thank you and bye-bye.